In this video, we are going to install this 3-channel dashcam provided by ZKspycam for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here we have your front camera, which records at 1080p with a wide angle view of 170 degrees. We have your left and right camera, which can rotate 180 degrees with a wide angle view of 120 degrees. They both record at 1080p. The left and right camera have 8 IR LEDs to help capture clear images in poor lighting conditions. This side is your screen, and on the top side is where you'll put your mounting bracket. Here is your USB-C power supply. You have your micro SD card slot, which supports up to 64 gigs, and they do include a 32 gig micro SD card. And on the bottom, you have your quick buttons and your reset button. Included is your mounting bracket with an adhesive in the back. They also provide an extra adhesive, your DC power adapter, electrostatic film, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Okay, we find our location. Then we want to make sure your surface area is clean. After you clean the surface area, you want to take your electrostatic film. We're going to go ahead and peel it. Go ahead and take your dash cam, peel off the protective film, then press it nice and firm. Then we go ahead and connect your power source. Here's your 12-volt adapter. Went ahead and hid the wires under here, up through here, under the headliner, down to here. Then we go ahead and plug the USB cable. And then hide the rest of the wires. Now let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. And you're all set. Here we have your home screen. You can still change the camera angles, your left and your right. So we have your driver's side and your passenger side. To go into your menu settings, first you want to stop recording, then long press your menu button. Here we have your resolution, 1080, 720 or VGA. We're going to leave everything at 1080p. We have your image quality. This is for your photos. You got 1 megapixel, 2, 3, or 12 megapixel would be your highest. You have your loop recording. You can turn that off, have it record in sections of 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. You can adjust your white balance, leave it at auto, sunlight, cloudy, or tungsten. You can adjust your EV, your exposure value. You can turn on or off your motion detection. This is if you have the hardwire kit installed. You can record your audio on or off. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. Parking monitor. Again, this is if you have your hardwire kit installed. Date and stamp. This is where you have your videos watermarked. You can adjust your G sensor. Turn that off, low, medium, or high. This sensor will detect your shock level. We're going to go ahead and set that to medium. You can turn on or off your button sound. You can change your time and date. You have your auto power off. You can have it shut off in 1 minute or 3 minutes. You have a few languages to choose from. You can adjust your frequency level depending on which country you're in. You have your infrared fill light. This is for your in-cabin camera, these infrared lights. Let's go ahead and set ours to auto. This is your screensaver. We can set that to off, shut down in 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. And you can format your SD card. If you need to reset your system to factory settings, you have that option as well, and it shows you which version you have. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.